The work that I do with Tarkine Trails, I don't actually consider it work. To bring people in here, show them the forest, show them the coastline, show them the Tarkine. The majority of people have no idea how beautiful and how untouched, and that this is one of the last true wilderness places on Earth.
I find it very restful just being here, and particularly as the days have gone by, I feel like I'm kind of sinking into this wonderful environment.
And quite often people on their feedback forms will write down that it was a life-changing experience.
And they empower us to experience this in the way we want to.
The forests are the lungs of the planet, and this is one of the biggest temperate rainforests in the world, and on top of which it is staggeringly beautiful.
I was blown away by how beautiful everything was, how wild everything was. There's no way I would have been able to see anything like this without having come on this walk.